Hello, my name is Ms. Tillahan, and I am a dyslexia interventionist for Houston Independent School District. Today, we will review suffixes and practice creating derivatives using consonant suffix s and vowel suffix ing. But first, let's review. Do you remember what a suffix is? Take a moment and think back to what you've previously learned. I'm sure you said this, but a suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a base word. A base word is a plain word with nothing added to it. When we add our suffix, which again is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a base word, do you remember what we get? If you said a derivative, you are correct. A base word, which is a plain word with nothing added to it, plus a suffix, which is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a base word, you will equal to a derivative. So today we're creating derivatives using consonant suffix s when sounds like z, and vowel suffix ing. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Consonant suffix s means more than one. Example words include tip plus consonant suffix s equals the derivative tips, like when you get really helpful tips, like for learning new words. Our next word is base word cup plus consonant suffix s equals the derivative cups, like many things that you can drink out of. Final word example is the base word lip. When consonant suffix s is added, you have the word or derivative lips, like the two things on your face. Now, things may get a little tricky here. We have next up consonant suffix s, but now it makes a z sound. The meaning of consonant suffix s, even though it has a different sound, still means more than one. But let's take a look at some of the reasons why this would happen. Example words include the base word pin plus the consonant suffix s equals the word pins. If you notice, pins, the s in pins now sounds like the letter z. The reason why this is because the letter N in pins is voiced. When the final sound is voiced, when adding the consonant suffix s, it will change the s sound to a z. Let's look at that some more. We have another base word, pan. Again, pan ends with is voiced. So when we add the consonant suffix s, the s sound will sound like a z, as in the word pans. Let's try another word, lid. The base word lid ends with the d sound. D is voiced. When added with a consonant suffix s, the s turns into the z sound, as in the word lids. You know, those things you put on top of your cups. Next, we have vowel suffix ing. If you notice, this one is a vowel suffix ing because it begins with the letter I, which we all know is a vowel. Vowel suffix ing means happening right now. Example words include walk. Base word walk plus vowel suffix ing equals walking, like what you might be doing on a normal day on your way to school. Our next example is the base word eat. Plus vowel suffix ing, we have the word or derivative eating, like you might be doing currently as you're watching this video, and that's okay. Just don't get anything on your laptop. Our next example base word is draw. Draw plus vowel suffix ing equals the derivative drawing. Like you see what's happening now in this picture. The man is drawing a really nice eye. Now, let's do some practices together. We're going to first start with consonant suffix s. And we do also have our consonant suffix s. If you notice, it's strict. We have a line through it to help us remember that these are going to sound like the z sound. Our first set of example base words are here. These words end with an unvoiced letter. So for the example, student, when we add consonant suffix s, we have what? I'm sure you said students. Let's try the next word. The base word is top. When we add consonant suffix s, what derivative will we have? Did you say tops? Very good. Our final example is the base word nap. When adding a consonant suffix s, what word would you get? Hopefully you said the derivative naps. Now let's go over to our other type of consonant suffix s. Now remember, these base words are going to end in a voiced sound. So for example, in our first base word, we have mom. Mom ends with a sound. It is voiced. So when we add mom to consonant suffix s, we have what word, guys? Moms. Moms. If you notice, moms sounds like it ends with a z. Or excuse me, it does end with a z sound. Next, we have the base word dad. Dad plus our consonant suffix s also makes that z sound, so we'll have dads, as in more than one dad. And our final example here together is the word plan. When we add our consonant suffix s to the base word plan, what derivative will we get? Hopefully you said the word plans. Like you might have plans to go and play outside this weekend. Let's move on to our vowel suffix ing. Here I've listed some base words. We have the base word list plus vowel suffix ing. What word will we have? Listing. Next, we have the base word ask. When adding the vowel suffix ing, we have the word or derivative asking. Some of you may be asking yourself, when might this be over? It means you're asking yourself that right now. Our next example is the base word laugh. When we add vowel suffix ing, we get the derivative laughing. Laughing. And our final example, really think about this one. We have the base word plant plus vowel suffix ing. What word will we get, guys? I'm sure you said the word planting. And some of us have been planting a lot of different seeds during our pandemic break. Planting means you've been doing it right now. Now it's your turn to give it a try. So since we have gone over a few of our suffixes and created derivatives, I would love for you to create at least 3 more words, or in other words, as we know, derivatives for each of the suffix we reviewed today. Remember, we reviewed suffix S or consonant suffix S when it makes a Z sound, and vowel suffix ing. I would really love for you to try and create 3 more words for each one of these suffixes and share them either at home or with your teacher the next time you meet. For more information and resources, please feel free to visit houstonisd.org/dyslexia. Thank you. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day.